when you're playing around with these 160s, two key features if you're not getting suction. One, obviously check the filter at the end of the suction hose, but we have a non-return one-way check valve which needs to be checked, and then also inside the injector we have two nozzle assemblies which need to be check tightened. Let's check it out. So inspect the non-return check valve, and if you can see down the center, if we get a small podger, we'll be able to push on that non-return check valve, clean that up. These come in two different parts and they're price sensitive, so there's a cheaper part and a dearer version. They do have different stipulations or requirements, so the better quality one is best suited to the soft washing industry. It is expensive, but it's your livelihood, and they do last a hell of a lot longer. So clean up the one-way check valve, or if not, jump online and purchase another one. On the inlet, and you can see by the direction of the arrow, get access to the two internal nozzles. So you'll see the first one is Allen key, and then the second one will use a flat bladed screwdriver. We'll pull these out and inspect, and also in inspection make sure they're not loose. So just using an Allen key, we can withdraw the first nozzle, and we can carry out an inspection. The second one, you'll see, if you can just see inside there, is a flat bladed screwdriver, so we'll pull that out as well. You can see here, flat bladed screwdriver insert, and this nozzle assembly is loose. It's actually jumping around inside the injector, so we'll pull it out and inspect it as well. So just our two nozzles, so we'll clean them up, and when we reinstall them, we'll use some low strength Loctite or something equivalent to lock them back into place, but both these nozzles assemblies were loose. So we'll bang in a new one-way check valve. You know, soft washing is quite harsh, as we all know. Change the inlet fitting, starting to gum up, rusty up. We don't want any of that going through and getting stuck inside the nozzle assemblies. We'll put it all back together. So clean these up. I just soak it in vinegar. You can use a brush or a bit of Scotch-Brite. Just going to reassemble it with some lock seal, so something equivalent. Doesn't have to be, definitely not permanent, just semi-permanent lock thread sealer. We'll put it all back together. Back up. Just going to do that back up. You need the right size flat bladed screwdriver to be able to get in there and nip that. Just the second nozzle, lock seal on the thread, and we'll just insert that as well. So both those are now locked in place, and yeah, we'll reduce a big error into why this wasn't performing. So loose nozzles internally on the 160, a non-return check valve also replaced. That's the maintenance procedure. Thanks guys.